This is the 108 watt Pro USB-C PD hub from Satechi. What is going on, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and this is the 108 watt Pro USB-C power delivery multi-charger and hub from Satechi. Basically, it's meant to be a desktop charger or a portable charger to power almost all of your gear at the same time, including with two USB-C PD ports, one that does substantially more power output than the other. Now, this is one of the larger ones that we've seen so far as these multi-chargers go. It is large, it is silver, and it is largely made out of plastic. The Satechi logo is down one side, and on the front of the hub, you will see the four outputs, as well as an LED light at the top. The uppermost USB-C PD port does 90 watts of power output, followed by an 18 watt USB-C port. Then we have two additional USB-A ports that are capable of 2.4 amps. Combined together, this can do a total of 108 watts of power output. Now, how big is this thing really in comparison to something you may recognize? Well, this is Apple's USB-C charger here on the right. This is their 87 watt charger that comes with the 15-inch MacBook Pro. The new 16-inch comes with a faster 96 watt charger, but comparing side to side, this is a 87 versus a 108 watt, but the Satechi one also has so many more outputs. You've got the two USB-C outputs as well as two USB-A outputs versus just one. So comparing them side by side, while the Satechi is larger, it has substantially more power output and ports than Apple's own. So what can you charge with this and how fast can you charge it? Well, a familiar desktop setup may include a MacBook Pro, an iPad or an iPhone, as well as an Apple Watch and any other accessories. Now, unfortunately, there is only two USB-C, which means you have to decide if that second USB-C port goes to an iPad or to your iPhone. If you use iPhone, it'll give you fast charging capabilities, otherwise it'll charge your iPad at up to 18 watts. And of course, thanks to that 90 watt one, you can charge your MacBook Pro at almost near full speed. If you have any Mac that charges at USB-C, it's going to charge at full speed except for the 96 watt capable 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is just shy of max power. My only real drag with this is the power cable. It's large and unwieldy, which is a benefit that you can plug it in and run the cable, but on the downside, it is a pain in the butt if you're trying to travel with it. They really should have incorporated some sort of cable management into the power cord itself. Otherwise, this is a fantastic and high output charger that's going to charge up to 4 devices at the same time, including a near full speed MacBook charger with USB-C. If you want to grab one, follow the link down below in the description and let me know what you think over on Twitter.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.